These features aren't just upgrades, they're revolutionary. The Galaxy S27 Ultra, we're not talking specs. We're talking features that will make you question every phone before it. Let's dive in. Feature 1. Health Sensing Camera. First up, a camera that doesn't just capture moments, it reads your health. Imagine pointing your phone at your face and instantly seeing your heart rate, oxygen saturation, stress levels, even early signs of anemia, all detected through subtle skin color changes invisible to the naked eye. Using advanced multispectral imaging and AI, the S27 Ultra analyzes how light reflects off your skin, measuring blood flow and oxygen levels in real time. Morning health check before your workout. Monitor your parents remotely. Check if your kid actually has a fever. Your phone becomes your first line of health defense. Feature 2. Revolutionary battery. The battery game just changed forever. Forget charging anxiety. We're talking true multi-day power with graphene silicon hybrid cells. 3 times the energy density of today's batteries. The S27 Ultra packs an 8,000 mAh cell in the same space. 2 full days of heavy use. 3 days of normal use. A full week on standby without adding a single millimeter of thickness. And when you do charge, 200-watt wired gets you full in 15 minutes. 100-watt wireless in 25. Your coffee break is now your charging window. Feature 3. Holographic display. This sounds like sci-fi, but it's here. True glasses-free 3D holographic projection. No gimmicks. Real holograms. Light field technology creates actual volumetric images floating above your screen. View from any angle. Move around it. Touch responsive in 3D space. Architects viewing building models. Doctors examining 3D medical scans. Video calls where the person actually appears in front of you. Gaming enters a new dimension. Feature 4. Under display perfection. The screen we've been dreaming of. No punch holes. No notches. No interruptions. Just pure, unbroken display. 4th generation under display camera that's actually good. 200 megapixel resolution. Face ID sensors. Even the earpiece. All invisible beneath a flawless 7-inch dynamic AMOLED. 4K resolution. 240 Hz adaptive refresh. 3000 nit peak brightness. This isn't a phone screen, it's a window to another dimension. Feature 5. Neural AI processor, the NPU that thinks like you. Samsung's Neural Processor 5.0 with dedicated AI cores that learn your patterns.
Text, call,
it knows you're about
even
to text someone before you open the app.
Mountain
Preloads
peak,
your navigation
desert,
before you start
ocean.
your car.
Dead zones
Edits
are
your
dead.
photos before you even take them. Real-time translation through your camera. Object recognition that identifies anything instantly. Voice isolation so perfect you could record in a stadium. And it's all on device. Your data never leaves your phone. Privacy meets power in Samsung's most intelligent flagship ever. Feature 6. Satellite connectivity. True freedom. Direct satellite connectivity. Not just for emergencies, for everything. Text, call, even browse the web from anywhere on Earth. Mountain peak. Desert. Ocean. Dead zones are dead. Partnership with global satellite networks. Built-in phased array antenna. 5G speeds from space. The whole planet is your coverage map. Feature 7. Revolutionary cameras photography that breaks physics. A 500 megapixel main sensor with variable aperture that adjusts in 100 steps. 100x optical zoom with OIS that compensates for earthquakes. Night mode so advanced you'll see stars in daytime. 8K video at 120 frames per second with zero crop.
Feature 9.
But hardware is just the start.
The S Pen Evolve.
AI-driven computational photography that captures the light that isn't there. Multi-frame fusion creating impossible images. Astrophotography mode tracking celestial objects. Motion blur in bright daylight. AI director mode that shoots, edits, and shares your story automatically. Feature 8. Materials and build a phone built from the future. Armor aluminum frame. Lab-grown diamond glass. Stronger than steel, lighter than plastic. Survives drops from 10 feet. Waterproof to 20 meters for an hour. Scratch-resistant coating that shrugs off keys, coins, and concrete. And it's 100% carbon neutral. Built from recycled ocean plastics and reclaimed metals. Premium doesn't mean wasteful anymore. Feature 9. Smart S Pen, the S Pen Evolved. Not just a stylus, it's a magic wand with AI-powered precision. 9,000 pressure levels. 1 millisecond